It's you. Right. Did you remember me? Oh, yeah. I guess you did not recognize me. I am Teacher Gerard. It's nice to be back. I'm going to teach you today. I miss you so much. I want you to learn with me today. Good. Thank you for staying with me. Today we are going to learn these farm animals, but I would like to give you some vocabularies today. We're going to use this 10 different kinds of farm animals. Let's start. Okay, number 1, fish. Good. Number 2, dogs. Number 3, cats. Number 4, birds. Number 5, horses. 6, chickens. Number 7, pigs. Number 8, goats. Number 9, ducks. Number 10, cows. Very good. So we are going to use these different kinds of farm animals today. And I would like you to practice with me. Alright, have you been to the farm? If so, then I am going to ask you this question. What animal is that? Right. So I'm going to ask that question and then you have to answer. Example, this one. What animal is that? You can answer. That is a cow. Alright, that means it's far from you. That is a cow. Alright, if my question is, what animal is this? Right, what animal is this? So you will answer, this is a duck. Alright, this is a duck. It is near to you. Okay, so I would like you to practice the question. Ready? Say it again. What animal is that? That means when you say that, it is far from you. Again, say it again. What animal is that? Very good. And if it is near to you, near, right, just next to you maybe, you will ask the question, what animal is this? Very good. What animal is this? Okay, practice that one. Let's go back to number 1. What animal is that? Answer. Look at this picture. Good job. That is a duck. Okay, let's practice the next question. What animal is this? That means near. So look at this boy. Next, he is asking this animal. Okay, this is a cat. Okay, so he is asking a question, or maybe you will ask the question, what animal is this? Right, just near to you, you will answer, this is a cat. Right, very good. This is a cat. Good job. You can easily remember that and this. Very good. So let us proceed. So how about I am going to give you an example. Okay, this is a boy, right, with his dog. Alright, So I'm going to ask you, what animal is this? Answer? Very good. This is a dog. But if it is far from you, you can answer, that is a dog. Good job. So if I ask you, it is near to me, what animal is this? If you are far from this animal, you will say, that is a dog. If you are near to this animal, you will say, this is a dog. Yeah, good job. So that's our lesson about farm animals. So I would like to sing song about Old MacDonald had a farm. Right. And you sing with me. Very good. Alright, we are going to sing Old MacDonald had a farm. Do you know that song? I think you know that song very well. So come and sing with me. We're going to include this 5 different kinds of animals. Cows, okay, ducks, next pigs, birds, and cats. Yeah, okay, let's sing. Are you ready? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-o. And a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on his farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-o. And an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-o. And a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-o. And on his farm he had some birds.